What's up, guys? This is 123 Wrestling Pro. Having a little problem with my tractor today. Hey, you know what? There's a little. I've been trying. Wait, I think I know what I did. Okay, y'all know where I could maybe get one of those at? 18 horse engine in there. Let's see if we can get it to go. Started, let's get started. One had to go under it and try to get the pulley to move. Works. Okay, you can see key start. That little thing's missing. I just broke it today. Let's see if it'll go. It likes to lock off. Probably not gonna get started today. Oh, sweet. Just gonna get started today. I've been working down in the woods. Yeah, working in the woods. Yeah, I don't think it's gonna start. See, I've been working the woods, getting this wood. Alright, see ya.